Hi guys, we continue with the same task again, uh, which is to make uh, make G dynamic GPM gross profit margin for all the month and all the split. So in this case, I show you one solution, which is to uh, okay, so now I just saw that I make a mistake, and then I have to fix it one by one. So you can see here the GP is duplicate because I got it wrongly. So I just have to fix one by one. So this one, if the template is wrong, and then it will you have to check it. And you multiply it already, and then you have to fix it everywhere. Mm. Okay, so this one, luckily, I don't have uh, to fix a lot of places. Okay, so now you can see here, I will show you the power, the powerful feature of the Power BI, which is the Power BI measure, which is to change the format and then to update everywhere. So, for example, GPM here, if you don't want you want the percentage, you don't want the decimal place like this, you can just click on the measure, change it into the percentage, and then decrease this 1 to 1, and then you have the nice format in here. And then if you change to the other places, it also give you the format, the same format as well. Okay, so um, I will keep this one GPM. Uh, let me format the number a little bit to make sure that this one is okay. And then that's it. So basically, this one is important. Let me do red so it make it's like okay. So okay, so the whole line here I apply to header and apply to total, and then the whole line here is red, and then you can see the same thing with this one. Let me copy this one over here, and then I I just want to use the template of this one, and then to duplicate. Okay, so this one is done, and then this one is done. Okay, so when you click on certain cell, it will use this cell as the cell selector, and then it select the other table, which we don't want in this case. Okay, so after I copy the template already, I just remove the template. Okay, so here you have the first solution, which is to make the top line. In this case, it's just a GPM only in all the scales and all the time scale and all the cohort and regions. You can do center as well. You can copy. But before doing that, I need to do two things. The first thing is to check the total. So in this case, I prepare the total here already. Okay, so you can see the total of revenue in here, which is 1360 2711, and then 3489, which is here. Okay, so we are done with the revenue, which is good. The second thing, the COGS, which is okay, so the minus is a little bit inconsistent in this case, but then it's okay. 187848 1491, and then 1918, and then done. Okay, so meaning that whatever they give us here in the source, we capture in our data book or our deck. Okay, so we are done. Now we move to the second one, which is the solution for the um, for the scalable uh, template. This one is okay already. It's just like you can read already, but then it's not good enough, and I'll show you how to do it in this video. So in order to make the second template, I will show you the trick I will need a second table and show you the trick to use a table for uh, elastic measure. Okay, so I go to the CSV again, and then I will, oops, sorry, wrong guy. So I have to go to CSV again, and this is the COA table. I can show you the table in online as well. So this table, it just basically the account. We can use the account code here for sorting as well. Later, if you want to sort, you change this. Short abbreviation or short names for programming or for coding. Long full names here, you can change whatever you want. So in the team, if the team doesn't want to the, no- the think that we need to use a long or the full name in order to make it more friendly to client, then you can change this one. But you have to keep this one. This one fixed, no change. This one you can change to meet the optics. Okay, so which is here. This one's for selection only. This one for sorting. Okay, so that we are done with columns. Now, if I load this, I think this one I need to transform a little bit because you can see here the column names here. It's supposed to be full and then abbreviation. So I go to transform, and then I need to use the first column to load to rename the column on top here, and then I'm good already. Then I change this one to B2. Uh, this one is actually the chart of accounts, so I can do COA as well, but uh, COA as well. But you can code it parameters or top lines also okay. Now, if I change this one to here, to add a new page, and I will show you the second way, alternative to this one, alternative to this solution. I will show you the second solution, which is here. And then also FY. And then now this one will not work because this one is the combination of two tables. So in here, you have the time FY from the B1, the full name from B2, and then if you don't insert any measuring expression into this view, it doesn't work because Power BI doesn't know how to handle this situation. So you need to insert a measure called master. I just insert a dummy number here first to show you the how it works first, and then we can do. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, by the way, there are empty accounts here because actually in the data, in the raw data, you can see the row here. They are not they're they're just like space for us to read, but it doesn't contribute. They don't contribute to anything to this view. So I will have to edit this one, and then I will change I will filter this one does not uh, contain or does not equal. So it will remove the empty one. Actually, I can show you the other option also. So uh, okay, never mind. I think they are about the same, so it doesn't matter. Okay, anyways, so after this, if I close and apply, it will load the table and then filter away blank values, and then I can change this one to the the pivot table also. Okay, so now that's how it works. If I want to sort this chart or this is pivot table accordingly to this code, and then I need to go to the full here, and then I sort by code. It will show me the order I want here. So sale and then sale last. Uh, as of now, I think those accounts, I don't need to use those account for any reason. So I just use the standard account. So you can see here, the standard account, they are sale, COGS volume, bill size, and then those guys. But then the new one here, we will use them for the next project. So it doesn't matter for now. Okay, so I get rid of them. In order to get rid of them, you draw the tag in the filter here, and then you select only the standard account. So the last account and same periods last year account, they will disappear from the view. Okay, so that's how you clean your view quickly. If you want to clean all the view, okay, let me display this several of them around this page. Now, if you want to clean all the views in the same of this page, you can drag the tag here filter on this page, okay, and then click on the standard, and then it will filter all of them for you. Okay, so that's how it works. So remember, in here is a filter on this view only. In here, filter on this page. It will filter for all the view in this page. There's one to filter in all the pages as well, meaning that the whole deck as well. But this one normally I don't use it. So yeah. Mm. So after this, you have the view already. Then you can just write the you can bind the master here to the view in here. By the way, I forgot to write the volume, so I will do the volume here before uh, I do the master. Okay, so V5 will be the volume. So for the volume, I just sum the same thing, right? There's a column called volume. Not quite sure if you want to change the volume to. I mean, it depends on the way that the whole team present the whole thing. If they don't divide by 1000, then don't do that, because otherwise it's very difficult to reconcile the numbers. Okay, so and then the next one will be the ASP. So V6 ASP. So again, we also don't know how the team want to present. Uh, but normally I will do the sale multiply by 183, because we divide it by 180. Sorry. Okay, so this 183. So we have 1000, and then we divide by the volume, which is V5, and then we have the ASP. Okay, so now you have all the raw account here already. We bind to the master account. So master, you will do. I will do one by one, and you can see it appear in all the views. So I just want to switch the selected values of the abbreviation in V2. Okay, which is this table, which is this view. So if the abbreviation is cell, then I will bind it to V1. Okay, other than that, I will keep 0 for now. So you can see here, everybody appear to be in the same cell already. And then we can do the same thing with COGS. Okay, so now I don't even know if COGS is the correct abbreviation here or not. So the simplest trick, okay, actually it's correct already. The simplest trick would be to put the COGS, to put the abbreviation in here, so you can see all the names in here for your coding. But later you have, after you're done with the coding already, then you have to put it back to full name, otherwise it's very difficult for you to read. Okay, so COGS, and then what, GP, which is GP is v3, GPM, which is v4, um, AS volume, which is v5, and then ASP, which is v6. Oh, sorry, is it average build size, ABS? ASP, I called it ASP in the measure by accident, but then I have to change this one to ABS, because everybody will be it look like more consistent. Okay, so after this, and I just want to format the measure a little bit, the master a little bit, and then everybody. Okay, so now you can see the thing appear like consistently in all the views. Let me break this video first, and then go to the next video.